The Pixel Fold is here, and there's no better way to get kicked off than a case for it, so let's get started. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So here we are with the MagEZ Case 3 for the Pixel Fold from Pitaka. Armored fiber, I absolutely love it. So let's get this unboxed if I can. There we go. And the Pixel Fold, it's quite small compared to a lot of other foldables and a lot of other phones out there. So it's a bit strange to me, but I must say this packaging, I really love this. It's like a little book, see that? And you can feel there's magnets on it as well. And then, look at that. How awesome is that? Pitaka, top quality. So, here, let's get a look. So this is the fusion weaving version of the case. And there's the front, and there is the back part as well. Pretty minimalistic, as to be expected with a armored fiber case, especially from Pitaka. And look at that, MagSafe. Pitaka, I love that you guys are doing this as a standard on all your cases. Keep doing it, top notch. Let's get this on. Now, I literally have only got the Pixel Fold today. So let's see if I can figure out what way you put this on. There we go. And then that bit just clips over the front, like so. And there we have it. So there is that lovely fusion weaving design there. I really do like it. It's thin, it's minimalistic. Now the hinge is exposed, as you can see here, but we do get a lip over the display, over that front display, which is really nice. And then we've got the little camera guard over the camera bar, which is nice too. And then you put your metal for the camera bar is exposed, but it does give you a little protection. There's a little lip over it there as well. And then in the bottom we have our USB-C port and our speaker holes as well. And then that's the microphone. And then speaker on the top here, and then another microphone port as well. So on the side here, the buttons are exposed for the volume and the power button, which is also the fingerprint reader. So it's understandable why they are exposed. But what I do like about these, normally with the MagEZ, you know, the likes of the top of the phone isn't going to be covered. It's covered on this completely. So if you do drop this phone, you are going to get a little bit of protection there, you know, on those edges, which is pretty nice. Now the hinge is exposed, but it's a foldable. There's not much you can do about that, I'm afraid. That's pretty nice. I love that color scheme actually, it's really nice too. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Why don't you take this moment, smash that like button, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring that little bell if you're finding this video useful and you like this case for the Pixel Fold. As you can see then, the screen lip on the front part of the case completely covers the screen completely, so it's not going to touch any surface. If you set that down flat, it's not going to touch the surface whatsoever. Same goes for the camera bar. You can see there that does come up over the camera bar, and it's not going to touch whatsoever, which is great. I love it. Yeah, it's thin, it's minimalistic, which I like, and I will say, compared to the shiny stainless feel of the Pixel Fold, you do get a bit of grip with this, which I do like, because it just makes it a little less slippery when it's in your hand, and a little less slippery means less chance of dropping it. Love it. And because this is a MagSafe case, we can do a MagSafe test, which I love. I love that Pitaka are doing this as a standard. Now, this phone, because this is a foldable, it's a little bit heavier than say a normal phone, so I'm intrigued to see how this holds, especially with there not being any magnets in the phone for wireless charging. It's all on the case, so I'm intrigued to see how this works. And Pitaka have been pretty good with their magnets, so let's get this kicked off. There we go. Oh man, I'm so conscious it's an £1,800 phone. But you know what? See, for the weight of this phone, those magnets are really great. I can't fault them whatsoever. And look at that, that'll take the weight of this stand with no issues. If anything, because this MagSafe stand has no rubber on it, this just sort of moves very easily, and I think that's why that has come loose. If that was rubber, that wouldn't move. So that's really, really good. So that's really good. So yeah, top marks, guys. As always, Pitaka have nailed it with this case. I mean, look at that. It's minimalistic, but it's protective. And when it comes to foldables, to be honest, it's the best you're going to get for protection. And yeah, I really dig it. So what do you think of the MagEZ case for the Pixel Fold? Let me know in the comments down below. As always, guys, I will leave you a link in the description down below if you're interested in picking this case up. Affiliate links help support the channel, but they don't cost you guys any more money. So if you do pick up using my links, thanks for your support. I appreciate it. And that about wraps up this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep it locked to the channel. I've got more cases coming for the Pixel Fold, and I will have more Pixel Fold content. So if that's your bag, keep it locked to the channel. There's more coming. And for more down-to-earth tech review and accessory videos, you know where to come. Until the next one, I'll catch you later.